Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Made with Love video. Today I have a really simple insert card for you. This is my You Are My Valentine insert card. How fun is this design? You have that nice sentiment there in the middle. You have some fun vines and hearts and little birds all over, and then those cute little flowers on either side as well. Like all my insert cards, this can be made on any CRICUT cutting machine from the CRICUT Joy all the way up to the CRICUT Venture. Your materials might vary just a little bit depending on what machine you're going to use, but you can use this file on all of the cutting machines. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat. If you're using the CRICUT Joy, you can be using the card mat as well. Your scoring wheel or scoring stylus, brayer, scraper, a weeding tool, glue or adhesive just in case there's any little bits and pieces that don't want to lay flat up against the insert, and then your cardstock. Now that we know all the materials that we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Made with Love 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in access to all 12 event files, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing, you can find out more information about the VIP Access Pass for Made with Love 2025 in the description box below. No matter how you download the file, make sure that you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's first find the envelope, click on this little icon to drop down the layers, highlight the top layer, come up to the operation menu and change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do the same thing for the card base. Click on that icon, highlight the score line, change it to score, highlight the group, and attach. Now that those two pieces have been converted, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to fold and burnish along the score line of our card base. Go ahead and open up the card and then take the insert and just feed that through the slits here on the card base. Just like that. I will set that to the side. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay panel over and place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, fold the side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. Wasn't this card super easy to put together? I could totally see you knocking out a whole bunch of them really quickly. This design is so much fun. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with us in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Made with Love video. Bye!